Hello, my name is Ryan Millhall and I'm with EMU Extension. I wanted to share some information about our Missouri beekeeping enterprise budgets for those interested or currently in beekeeping operations. Enterprise budgets can help producers detail out the income and expenses associated with a particular agricultural crop or business and help producers make good decisions. Our budget starts out with an establishment worksheet. It is intended to showcase the first year of beekeeping with no honey production. Start with 2 hives and about $1,300 in investments. From there, honey producing operation sizes of 10, 20, and 30 hives are modeled to show various scales or sizes of operations. Going from 2 hives to 10 hives might take 3 to 5 years with normal growth in the beekeeping operation. Key budget drivers in this budget revolve around honey production, selling prices, and labor. The budget assumes 60 pounds per hive. About a $10.61 honey selling price was estimated from available and reported information. Beekeeping is very labor intensive. The budget assumes the business is paying $20 per hour for labor, whether it is provided by the owner or hired labor. However, the budget can be customized to remove this if the business wishes to see the return to management without labor. Here is a snapshot of the honey producing hives of 10, 20, or 30 hives. Note labor hours are shown for each scale, which range from 300 to 700 hours on the larger scale size. After factoring for income from honey and beeswax and deducting non-labor expenses, income over total cost ranged from about $1,714 to $6,960. If you account for $20 per hour being paid for labor, each enterprise size would result in negative returns. A sensitivity analysis is important for a producer to see what the impact of varying production or selling prices has on the enterprise. An example is shown for the 30-hive beekeeping budget. Note this excludes any labor expense in the calculated income over total cost. If selling price for honey was lowered to $9 per pound and hive production lowered to 50 pounds per hive, the enterprise would still remain positive at $2,062. If prices were more favorable at $12 per pound and honey production at 70 pounds per hive, the enterprise would result in about $12,299 income over total cost excluding labor. It is important to understand these shocks in the enterprise budget. Note that sales estimates in these budgets reflect selling honey in 1-pound bottles and selling beeswax in 1-pound blocks. There are a lot of value-added opportunities in other honey or related products that can affect income, cost, and profitability of this enterprise. Make sure to examine each one that you are considering and see the financial effects. Missouri beekeeping budgets can be found at MU Extension Publication G692 or at muext.us/Mo niche ag budgets. Make sure to customize the income and expense assumptions in these budgets for what you are planning in your region. For more information, it is advised to connect with an existing beekeeper, find a mentor, or a beekeeping club near you.